You get up in the morning, you have breakfast. We give you Jamaican food. Food you never get in a hotel, like cornmeal porridge. Festival. Have you ever heard of festival? It's like a hot dog that's rolled with cornmeal, sugar, flour, and we put it in oil. Delicious. All our guests love it.
All right, stop my Maurice.
I'm sorry.
Hey guys, Wellesley here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm in beautiful Ocho Rios, Jamaica. I love coming to Ocho Rios. I always get excited to come here. It's a little bit in fact it's drizzling a little bit on the outside, but it's still pretty here. I love coming here. I'm here to check out a beautiful new guest house called Harmony Haven. I'm gonna do a walkthrough and I'm gonna take you along with me. Stay tuned. All right guys, well I'm here. I'm at Harmony Haven. Alright, so I'm in. What I'm going to show you now, I'm going to go upstairs first and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Alright, so stay with me. Okay, alright, so there are three bedrooms here. I'm going to show them to you. This is a king size bed. King size bed here. Right. Really nice. There's a lamp stand there, and there is a table. Alright. And there's a chair here. Air conditioned. By the way, all of the rooms have air conditioning as well. Look at the bathroom. Wow, exquisite. Sliding doors. Right. Wow, all right. This is room one. I'm gonna call this one room one. This is before I go to the next room, there's a balcony area here. So this is a balcony area and nice table if you want to dine outside and sit and have a drink and observe all the activity on the road. You'll notice that the highway is literally a stone throw away from here, but still it offers a nice hideaway, if you will, away from the hustle and bustle. Coconut in the background, coconut in the distance there, coconut tree. Alright, so this is the balcony area. I'm gonna say for room one. This is another room. This is the one I think I like. This one is for all is family and friends, if you will. It's your king size bed. Alright. And then and the bathroom again. So this room, and I'm going to be talking with the proprietor a little later. So I'm going to ask her everything about this place. Oh, air conditioning again in here. Lovely, lovely, lovely nightstand and a lamp. And then the third of the three rooms. This one looks like it's the one for the children now. Drawers here as well, closet here as well, and yet another table if you wish to work while you vacations. Everything that you need to make yourself comfortable. Right. and here again. Oh yes, its own bathroom. Own bathroom. Sliding doors again. This place is nice. This is nice. Alright, so this is upstairs. I'm gonna go downstairs to see what's down there. And then I'm gonna be speaking with the proprietor. Guys, so stay with me. Alright, so I'm going downstairs and we actually we enter right into the living room. Very well laid out living room. Cute. Television, fan, and again the dining area here. By the way, dining area. The kitchen is right here. Kitchen, and you will actually you will get someone. You will get someone to prepare your food. All right, there's always somebody here who will provide food and security for you. All right, so this is the kitchen area, and we also have another outdoor dining area. I'll just show you that briefly. This area here, okay, additional dining. All right, my brother, good. Ample space here, guys. Really nice manicured lawn, and then an extended area flows from the outdoor dining area for events and activities and so forth. So weddings, parties, birthdays, seminars, if you will, all of those activities can be accommodated right here. Ample space. All right. A lot of fruit trees here as well. There's ackee. You're seeing now over in the distance. There's banana, mangoes around the back there. Over my head actually as well, mango. Coconut. I'm gonna zoom in that for you. All right, coconut there. Another coconut tree here. Orange here. All right, I'm gonna get a little closer pic for you. All right, so this is actually an Martinique, guys. What do you know of Martinique? I would love to hear from you. Share it in the comment below. Martinique, though, is actually a cross between an orange and a tangerine. And this was made or created right here in Jamaica. I'm going to share a link below where you can get more additional information on that. This is the beautiful place, Harmony Haven. So stay with me. I'm going to be talking with the proprietor now to get a little feel of what else, what services they offer here, perhaps what attractions and activities are nearby. I'm here with Maureen. She's the proprietor for this wonderful property here. I want to get a little feel of what she's doing, how she's doing, what she expects to happen, and what she has on offer for you. All right, so Maureen, thank you for having me.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Beautiful place you have here.
Thank you.
I want to know. So you have 3 bedrooms, 3 beautiful bedrooms, I must say. I noticed that in my walkthrough. What else can your guests expect when they come here?
Okay. Well, first I would like to say welcome to Harmony Haven. That's the name of our accommodation, right? Yeah. And we give you personalized service. We're unique. If you're looking for a home away from home, yes, a place where you come and you can get to experience the culture firsthand, up close. So what we can offer you here, we can offer you accommodation only, if that's what you're looking for. We can offer you breakfast and dinner, right? We can offer you packages. So we do what you call multi-day packages. And multi-day packages are packages where we pick you up at the airport. So we could pick up a group. So if it's a family, so we work a lot with families, with millennials, young people, friends getaway, if you're celebrating a birthday event or vacationing or you're volunteering. That's one of our specialty, where if you want to come and you give back to a local community, then this is the place. So if you want to do a vacation, but you want to experience the community and touch the people, the local people. We could organize for you to volunteer at a school or an orphanage for a day or 2 days. So I was saying we offer multi-day tours. So we pick you up at the airport, we take you here. If it's a group and we have more people than we can accommodate, we just next door, we have other Airbnb, other villas and accommodation. We're right on the main from all the big hotels, and our neighbors are all in the tourism business, so we can accommodate any number.
May I ask you, we're in Ocho Rios, so if somebody is looking to come to stay here, where overseas, where would they land? Is it Kingston or Montego Bay?
Oh, we would pick you up at the Montego Bay, and you could come to Kingston,
Which is
we are right in the middle. We're right in the middle.
Okay.
But more people come to the Donald Sangster International Airport. But if you happen to come into Kingston, the Norman Manley International Airport, we can pick you up there.
So that's a service you offer. You pick up your guests as well.
Yes, we offer transfers.
Oh, nice.
And if we offer you a package, one of our multi-day package, we offer you airport pickup. We take you back when you're leaving, accommodation, breakfast, dinner, and every day we do tours.
So that's a lot more. It appears to be a lot more than the regular villa experience, right?
Yes.
There's a lot more.
We do tours.
Yes.
So we offer you the chance to see Jamaica up close, guided tours, and that's why we offer what we call our multi-day tours, where you get up in the morning, you have breakfast, we give you Jamaican food you never get in a hotel, like cornmeal porridge. Festival, have you ever heard of festival? It's like a hot dog that's rolled with cornmeal, sugar, flour, and we put it in oil. Delicious. All our guests love it.
All right, stop now, Maurice. I'm salivating too. How safe is this place, Maurice?
Oh, it's very safe.
I know it's one of our main concerns.
Yes.
People have, because of what's happening, they hear about state emergency, they hear about this. How can you assure my listeners, my readers, my audience right now who is watching that this is the safest place to be?
Well, we can assure you, because you'll never be alone. Our property is well secured. We have security right on this building. In the morning when you get up, you see security, and when you go to bed in the night, there is security, right? And when you're here, we're always, one of our managers is always here. We have our tour guides. You'll never be alone.
Oh,
somebody here to show you and make you experience the culture.
Excellent, excellent. You did mention that there are other properties here who will be willing to you partner with and so on here. B&B. What other attractions are in this neck of the woods here that my audience could look forward to?
Well, we are walking distance away from the nearest beach, just 2 minutes. So if you're looking at property where you just get up in the morning and you go to the beach, and they offer all-inclusive at the beach. You can have food and you stay there, get Jamaican music all day. And we are 15 minutes away from a lot of other attractions. For example, we have what you call Sugar Pot Ruin Beach, very rustic if you're looking to get away from the crowd. Then we have Blue Hole. This is like a river where you can, if you're an adventurer and you're looking to have the river experience. We have Dunn's River Falls. This is the biggest attraction in Ocho Rios. We are only 10 minutes away from Dunn's River Falls. So you're also close to what you call River Rush. That's it's a property, like if you're a family and you're celebrating an event, and it's very good for the children. They have slides, river, cooking experience.
That's a new one?
Yes, it's very
that's new to me too.
Yes.
Guy, I'm learning as I go along as well.
Right.
How many people do you typically accommodate here?
Well, if we have shared accommodation, we have one room that can hold 4 for mother, father, children, or if it's a friend's getaway, we have 4 friends. Then we have double bedrooms, so we could have up to 8. And if you're looking for more shared accommodation, we could go to 9. And then just next door, we can house, we have a villa, we have hotels just across the road, so we can house groups, conventions, birthdays, family reunions, or just vacationing or volunteering. We love to offer you new experiences. we have what you call the community experience, where we can take you in Ocho Rios, the closest town, take you to the market, take you to the school, and then we take you to a community center. We do jerk food and you dance to reggae music. So we are not just a little villa or guest house. We offer you so much more for you to know and experience Jamaica up close.
How can I get one of the chili?
We have a water coconut right there. So if you're coming and you want to eat a coconut right from the husk, wow, you're at the right place.
It's right here, guys. It's right here. Alright, very well. How can people contact you, Maureen?
You can contact us. First, we are online. You can go to our website, which is www.wanderlusadventuresja.com, and Wanderlust is WANDERLUST, Wanderlust Adventures ADVENTURESJA.com, or you can reach us by phone from the United States. It's 718-878-5588, or if you're in other areas, you can reach us at 876-969-4158, and our email is info@wanderlusadventuresja.com. So we can reach us by phone, on the internet, on our website, or you can just call us.
We also, I actually have a link in the description as well, guys, that you can follow. You'll get more information on everything that Maureen is saying here, as well as a contact form that you can just complete, and it goes straight to her right away. All right. Is there any final words from my?
Well, today I want to make you a special offer, because you are
My-Island-Jamaica.
Yes, My-Island-Jamaica.
Wellesley. Yeah, she's gonna say something about, she's gonna do something because I am her friend. Alright, and you are my audience. So go ahead, My-Island-Jamaica fans, Maureen is want to do something for you. Go ahead.
So we are giving you a special package. You can't beat that anywhere. It's called an all-inclusive multi-day package, where you can not just have accommodation alone. We pick you up at the airport, take you back when you're leaving, breakfast and dinner, accommodation, and we're going to give you a very low discounted price, and we're going to give you a bonus. All you have to do, you're going to have the hashtag My-Island-Jamaica. And when you give us that, we know that you saw us and you found us on this broadcast, and you're going to get some goodies.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Maureen. The pleasure.
And thank you for having me.
Yes, ma'am. The pleasure is mine. Thank
you, guys.
We're
waiting to welcome you to Jamaica.
All right. All right, guys. So there you have it. Harmony Haven, the beautiful Harmony Haven in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. I'm going to be here for a little while. I'm going to be enjoying a fresh Jamaican jelly. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos from Jamaica. Alright? I'd love to hear from you. Share a comment in the link below. And please give it a like if this video has helped you in any way. Appreciate it. Thank you.